All right. I wanted to show you, this is the screen, my recording screen right here. And we'll see, this might be a little too meta to go deep into what's in ScreenCast. Yeah, you can't really see it. Usually you'd hit this and you'd have a bunch of choices up on the top. And one of them would be the library, all right? So say we took the one that I already shared with you. We put it in the drive and we make it public and we copy the drive link. It's that simple. All right. Now I'm going to pause this for a moment. And you saw that I copied and I'll take Katie's as the first one. Excuse me. Let's say that ODB one was hers. We can simply insert the link right there, pasting it in, and there it is. All right, and this is the spreadsheet portion of sharing the assignment, and then the other thing I want you to do is, since you already have a copy, you'll go into Canvas, and then you will paste the link. I really want you to do it that way instead of uploading or finding it in Drive. It's the only way it'll work in the speed grader. So I've enabled the Canvas assignment so that you'll see a window to paste the link. So do these all in the same step. All right. Thanks.